What's up, guys? Another video in the Learn Linux series, and today we're going to do a simple exploration of installing packages in our Debian environment that we have installed for this course. Very simple. We have this tool called apt, or short for Aptitude. It is the package manager for this distribution. It's also the package manager in systems such as Ubuntu and any Ubuntu-based systems as well. Uh, Different distributions, as we spoke in one of the first videos, will have different package managers. So, for example, for me, I have the Pacman package manager here in my Arch Linux machine, which is my desktop. And that's how I install packages. But for now, we'll talk about Aptitude real quick. So if you do apt-help, or even open the man page, you'll see a bunch of information related to different commands we can use. So we have update, upgrade, install, auto remove, show list, bunch of stuff. Sometimes it's easy just to use the help command. It can be a little bit more descriptive and short. So to start, we'll just use this first command here, apt list, and that'll tell us all of the applications that we have, or software packages that we have installed on this machine. You can see there's quite a bit that comes with the server. Go back to our help command. We will see that we can also search for stuff. And when we say search, we're not searching for the stuff that's already installed. We're searching for stuff that we can install. So let's say I want to search for SSH, and that is simply a way of, accessing a server securely from a remote destination. You can see there's a bunch of options here. I can't really scroll in this window. This is a TTY environment. So let me, pipe this into a different program. So let me say apt search SSH, and I'm going to pipe it into this program called less, and that'll let me kind of scroll through the stuff a little bit more slowly, find what I need. And here I see, let's keep scrolling down. Go back up a little bit. I'll find that I have this open SSH server and client. This is what I want for this machine. So let's say I want to install that. Go back to our help command. We have apt install open SSH -server, which is the name of the package. I hit enter. It's going to say we're going to install these other dependencies for this package. And I hit yes to continue, and it should install it. Obviously, here we hit a little bit of a snag. I'm using a little bit of an older machine that I haven't touched since 2022. I'll just do a quick apt update with that. That'll give me the latest information from the repositories, metadata about the applications that I'm searching for. I'll try to rerun my command here, and we'll see that now I'm able to reach the correct server and install my package. So now my package is installed. I'll go ahead and start this server here. That'll give me a remote shell, and I know that it is now installed and working. So looking at other commands, let's say we want to remove it. We have apt remove. So apt remove, open SSH -server. And you can see here that there we have our package, and we can hit yes and uninstall it. I'm going to leave it there because I need it. Other things, we have apt update. So let's say I knew that there was a new version of this package. Just can run apt update. And just by itself, that'll retrieve new metadata from the repositories, as we said earlier. And to actually upgrade the package, I need to apt upgrade and the name of the package. Or sorry, it was that server. So that's why I said installing all this stuff. Here we go. And it's telling me that other app packages will be upgraded. You'll see that here it tried to upgrade all the other packages that were already installed on the server, just because the newest version of OpenSSH server is already updated. So there's no reason for me to update it again. Other useful commands here, apt reinstall. Sometimes you might run into something that you might have broken, maybe deleted one of the binaries or anything like that. So you can reinstall the package from here. And yeah, it's a very simple command, very powerful command. Learn it, get good at it. Thanks for watching.